Mishika, and today I'm going to teach you if, else if and else statements in Python. So, why do we use if conditions? So let us see an example. So here is a simple English sentence. If a value of a variable x is greater than 10 or equals to 10, then we have to print big or we have to print small. So how to write it in statement? So first we will write the keyword if, then we will write an expression. How to write expression? In brackets we are going to write x, greater sign, equal sign, 10, and then after brackets we have to put colons. What does this mean? Means if x is greater than or equals to 10, so 10. So this is the expression. Now after leaving a line, we take a body. So a body can be like print big or else print small. It's not necessary that the body is only one sentence meaning. It can be multiple sentence too. But be sure that in else we cannot write expression, because if we do so, it will say us an error. Now let's see one more example. So now this again is a simple English sentence. So let's read it. Identify the value of a variable x is even or odd. How to write this in statements? So first we will write the keyword if. Next we will write the expression. X divide sign 2, then equals and then 0, and after brackets we are going to write colons. What does this mean? Means if x, when we divide x divide by 2, then equals, if its remainder come as 0, then we have to print even, else we have to print odd. So now this is an example, another example. Now let's see another example, a complicated one, which we will see how to make a statement. So let's see. So here is the your age one example. So what does it say? That if we enter the age from between 0 to 17, we have to say minor. If we enter the age between 18 to 60, we have to say it as adult. If we enter the age 61 to 115, then we say it as old. If we enter the age higher from 115, then we say it as wrong input. So now let's solve this statement. Now we are not going to write it here in the Python. We are going to write it in a file of Python. How to open a file of Python? So here you can see many menus are there. So from this menu there is the file option. Click on that and then click on new file option. Now you can write any statement you want. So how to write that age statement? For that we have to first write print, and then in brackets, in single quotes or in double quotes, we have to write enter your age. Now enter. Now you have to write x equals to integer and then input and then brackets. What does this mean? Means the input we are giving to a number, that we have to make it in integer and then store it in x. Next we enter and then write if sentence. So after writing if, we write expression like if x is greater than 0 and x is smaller or equals to 18 or 17, we have to colon, we have to print minor. Now enter. So this is the statement of minor. Now let's do the statement of adult. So now what we will do, we will write a else if statement. Else and if. Now we will write an expression x if x is greater than or equals to 18 and x is smaller or equals to 60, then we have to print adult. Now again enter. Now we have done this adult statement. Now let's do the old statement. So now again we will write it in else if statement. Else if. Now if x is greater than or equals to 61 and if x is smaller or equals to 115, colon, then enter, then print. So what we have to print? We have to print old. Next enter. Now we done the old statement. Now let's do the wrong input statement. Now we are going to write in else if. Why didn't we write it in else? Because in this we are going to write an expression. But I told you we cannot write any expression in else. So that's why we are writing it in else if. If x is greater than 115, colon, and then enter, then we have to print wrong input. Enter. So now we are done with full statement. So now let's run it. But before running it, we have to save it in a file, in a folder, and name it in a file. So how to save it? There in upper there are many menus. So from there click on the file option and then click on the save option. Now click on any folder you want, like, and then name it. Like I'm naming it your age part 6. Then you can click save. Now after saving it, you can run. So how to run it? for running it, you have to click there in the menu. There is a run option here. Now you have to click on it, and then there is a run module option. So you can click on it, or you can just click on F5. And now it says enter your age. So now you can enter your any age. Like I am entering a age as 9. And then if I will enter, so it will say this 9 is a minor. Now if I want to again run it, so I have to do Alt tab, or I have to go in the file and then click on F5, or you can click on the run option, run module option. And now you have to again enter any age you want. Like I am entering the age 23, and then enter. So it says this is an adult. So now we have learned about if, else if and else statements in Python. So I'm done for today. I will come in the next video. So for now, say bye bye and thank you. Bye.